Hey, Matthew from That's a man. Dude, we are in PCMC at a joint known as Guru Kripa. This is right next to Sachin International, our travel partner for the second season of the 6th Street. That's Suyog, the founder. Now, this dude takes you to Thailand for 4 nights and 4 days in INR 1 rupee. Now, I don't know how he does it. Ask him, but I know why he does it. And the reason is because he wants the people who are unfortunate and cannot travel to have the opportunity to travel. Basically, that's his why. For him, that's the reason why they're the travel partners. Anyway, the joint next to him is a local joint. Why do I like this place? A, you're allowed to get your own food from your own house on the table, and they also serve the basics, man. Maggi, omelette. Now, whenever there is an infusion of the labor class are who? The guys who keep the pulse of the city going, right? The food is really, really good. So we've asked for the omelette, and they give you chapati. Look at that. Look at the quality. Look at the quality. Insane, eh? Just how I want it. Insane. By the way, the home cooked food is made by Suyog's wife. So what we in Indian call Bobby is on the cook this for us. So we'll get into that in a second. But let me just try this. Can't go wrong with Maggi, ever. All right, man. This is the home food. Again, how many places do you know that allow you to bring your own food in a restaurant and eat? Do you think this happens in the West? Try doing it in the States or in Canada. Because there's always a little bit of spice. That's the culture of the Indian household. But it has so much flavor. So much flavor. That's the daal. Guys, learn this from me, man. Wherever you go, when they are the working class, labor class, the food is insanely good because they cannot afford to give these guys fast food. Peace out.